What's up, guys? Gonna do a little cleanup on the LOSI. What I did was spray it with simple green first, let it sit. Let's get to work. What you want to do here is make sure you're not spraying the electronics directly, but you can get everything else. This is how I clean the LOSI, especially after a muddy run. I hate dirty RCs in my room, in my house. Not good. Make sure you get your axles inside the wheel. Just like that. Usually the back wheels have the most dirt. I have no clue why, but it just does. Now for the inside, we're gonna lift this up. Spray the inside here. So what I do here is usually you could spray it on the shell and all that, but just if you're gonna spray it, don't stay on the electronics. Just like this right here. It's a quick little blast. Get all that simple green out. I did take out my receiver because it's not waterproof, and the LOSI receiver box has a hole in it, so that all cleaned up. What you want to do directly after this is hit the air compressor on the electronics first, and then you're all good. Don't forget about the bottom. It's dirty under there. Alright, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. How to clean your RC car. I did find out that the whole time I had my GoPro I was running on 480p when I thought I had set it to 1080. So this right here is 1080p. It's great, looks good. Till next time.